I'm just chasing NVIDIA $200 calls, SoFi $40 calls. That's a wrap, man. And the Zoom.
Hey, which one was it?
SoFi $40 calls, NVIDIA $200 calls.
For when? For when, Brian?
I have, I ain't jumping none yet. I'm gonna jump in some NVIDIA $200 calls this week. I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit more pullback.
Pause.
And SoFi $40 calls. And the Zoom, man. Go on with y'all do. Clint Fortell, super good calls.
You hopped in SoFi yet now?
No, I'm gonna go in there. I'm probably hopping at the end of this week. Just finish looking at it,
Yeah.
put some time on it.
Yeah, I got in the $30 call for June.
For June.
Yeah, but I'm
Yeah,
gonna keep adding on to the position though.
yeah, I'm gonna get in so
You
far.
know that was my starter right there.
You said you're in 30s for June?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm in some 35s for January.
God
Y'all
damn,
niggas trading, bro. This music to my ears, man.
man, you put some time on it. You know, true to the track.
Hey, them 35s in June, what number? Like 100 something dollars.
Oh,
I mean for January, I'm sorry.
Depending on how it moved though, man, I might just start rolling my shit to January like that because I just feel like this about to pop.
yeah, so far go pop.
That's not a good contract. January. SoFi going down.
I'm starting to think you be on Twitter, Winston.
Oh,
Don't
that.
laugh, dog, because he's serious.
I know, but look, that's what everybody's saying on Twitter, man. Like, man, so far trash, man. That's a poor ass shot.
SoFi. God.
Oh, so that's you that's making them comments, Winston, with the crazy
I have a
emoji.
no.
And let me
I
find out Winston is Satoshi Nakatomo, man. He created Bitcoin.
well, Bitcoin. Never mind. Go ahead.
Yeah, Bitcoin will crash, man. Epstein created that shit. That shit will crash.
All right. Y'all ready?
Hold up, Mike. Yeah, we ready.
All right, Microsoft, buy your calls. All right, next.
Wait,
Oh no, look at Mike. What's up with Maul?
this man has paid already. Mom been there
I
for
gotta
like
get, I
3
gotta
weeks.
get, I gotta get uptown, bro. Nah, bro,
Oh, bro.
listen. Um, I think this is a good spot to start looking for some positions in Microsoft. It's no, I mean, let me tell you, bro. If the market won't continue to sell, it's gonna continue to sell. But this is an optimal spot to buy Microsoft, in my opinion. I think we talked about this last week, or we talked about it in a group chat. I think Microsoft is primed to go. But what it might do, it might consolidate for a little while, but and then go. But I think this is the best, like the gap fill, the weekly gap fill. Tap the order block. I think it's ready. I think it's ready. All right. So if you were looking to get into some I'm about to say microphone, Microsoft calls, I'm looking to bring it back to these relative equal highs up here. So, but you will need to buy some time for sure. I don't know how expensive these contracts are. I haven't looked, but this will be my price target, 555. These relative equal highs up here. We good on Microsoft? All right, cool. Next.
Hey, the January 600s is like $500 something right now, bro. They were 900, then they went to 800. Now they at 5 something.
On the iPad.
You said January?
Yeah, January.
That's not bad, bro.
That ain't bad, bro. I'm in two
That's
of
not
them right now.
bad.
I'm down
That's
because I bought mine when they hit like 425, but I'm holding the line.
Come on.
that's not
Whoa.
not bad.
All right, I'm making sure that's you.
All right, SoFi.
Here you go. Now he Mike wasn't here. Why? Go ahead, Mike. What's SoFi
Don't
going?
be biased, bro.
Don't be biased.
What's SoFi going to?
Yeah.
$32.
Come on.
Ooh. Y'all heard that? That boy said $8. Mike, what you said? Did you
I
say
said
32? You
32.
said 8.
32.
Okay.
I'm saying, why you think it's going to $8?
Look at the chart.
No hanging fruit. Why you think it's
You
coming?
talking about you talking about this low right here?
Yeah.
All right, bro.
Why
I'm
though?
at
Why
the,
it's going to do that?
Because it's just a trash stock.
Not a trash stock.
Oh, my bad.
this dude, bro. This dude, dog.
What is doing down there?
It's doing the rest of the market though.
This dude
Oh,
it had to retrace, dog.
no either. It had to respect price.
Mike, can you go back further on the chart? Oh,
No.
you can't. Okay. Go ahead. Go
Bro, this
ahead.
dude, bro.
That's it? That's the whole
The
chart?
ultimate troll, bro.
The longevity of it. All
Get
right.
out the truck right.
The ultimate troll, bro.
About to. I gotta see it.
This from a technical standpoint, bro. This is where it should take off from. I think it's a good trade, dog. I
I
mean,
think
but
$8.
like I said with Microsoft, if it won't continue to sell, it's going, the market wants to continue to sell, it continue to sell.
And
I had a
y'all
reason to come back.
look up $8 puts because y'all still could.
This dude, bro.
He might be on to something.
I was about to
This,
say, you might be on to something, bro.
this is a nice response from this gap, though, on the daily. I'm just saying, bro. Look, don't let Winston influence y'all, bro.
Hey, listen.
I'm already in, Mike.
Yeah, me too. But look, check this out. I do have another gap down here at the 50% of my fib. The bottom of the gap is 1486, and then the top of the gap is like, what is this? It's like $17, $17.50. You think we can come down and hit that gap and fill that?
If it go
I don't
down
want it
there,
to. I wouldn't want it
if it
to.
goes down there, it's
If
a
it go
wrap.
down there, it's going to be $8.
Okay. All right.
And it's going to go down there.
What's up with you?
My bad, dog. Next.
About the future.
That's it. No. This ain't about the future. It ain't got nothing to do with that. Next. Don't worry about nothing I said. I'm trolling. You hear me? Just like I was trolling about a firm and Netflix. Go ahead, Mike. Come on, we got a parade to go to. Stop.
Man, this
Don't worry about
dude,
that.
bro. But
I
I
learned
think
about SoFi. Go ahead.
so. All right, bro. Next, I'm not about to go back and forth. This nigga funded, bro. It's going to $8.
Don't say that.
So, bro.
It
I don't
ain't,
think
it
so,
ain't going, y'all. Y'all good. Y'all in good contract, bro. You hear me?
Bro, St. Charles ain't got to you, dog.
Yeah,
It's only
I ain't
that's
got
only
that
the
much
third day,
sleep.
bro.
Yeah.
That's
I
only
only
the
slept
third day
3
of
hours.
parades, bro.
Y'all only slept 3
All right.
hours, bro. Go
Probably
ahead.
getting angry for real over.
I mean, Akeem looked at the chart and he said $8.
I didn't hear Akeem say.
Akeem said $8. Who said 8 then?
Who said $8?
It was only me?
Man, I'm extremely bullish on SoFi.
All right. Cool. Oh, he said Twitter. Y'all said Twitter said $8, right?
It was Mel.
Yeah,
Twitter be right.
Twitter bought up SoFi. The
Can we go to the
only
next stock?
only reason people trade SoFi is because of Twitter.
Sit down so you can eat.
Trade.
What's the next one, bro?
Nvidia.
What's the next one?
Go to
NVIDIA.
NVIDIA, bro. Go to NVIDIA.
Still consolidating, bro.
I'm saying that what that is, a ham at the end? That's not a actionable signal.
No, it's consolidated. It's still inside of consolidation.
So I'm saying if I am go get some $200 calls, what I should wait for?
Let's keep
No,
our
just be
AMD
you.
too.
Just be you now.
Yeah.
No, man, I don't want to hear that shit.
Just be you.
Oh,
That's
look,
not
look,
a
Mike. I see what he's trying to see. That don't that from the daily perspective, that don't look like a order block forming.
It could. It could. You
I mean,
got
we don't
so
know till next week if that's an order block, but that look kind of looking like an order block, right?
it
Saying that you
could,
might could
but
get a pop back to 200.
you could, but on the grand scheme of things, you still consolidate.
Right, I see you.
consolidate.
You
I see
overall you
that.
consolidating.
Look
Yeah,
at how
so
it gapped up last night.
Nvidia hasn't picked a direction yet. It hasn't picked a direction. So it wants you to come play in this traffic. Come play in this traffic so we can take your money. We could drain your contract. Come play in this, yeah. All right. Oh, it looked like we're about to sell. Buy you some puts. Then look, this very next candle. So it's like, it's just you have to wait for a decisive move. And sometimes you wait for the decisive move, you end up missing out on something, but you safe. You know what I'm saying? Because you could be like, all right, I'm about to buy some calls, and then the video open up and go to 190 and then drop to 160.
I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna really trip your head out, Mike. NVIDIA and SoFi never run together. Go ahead. Next stock, y'all.
Yeah, bro. This
Next stock.
mute this
AMD.
dude, bro. Mute
That
this
man
dude.
been drinking.
This dude, bro.
Dale, where you gonna be at, bro?
Probably somewhere safe where the young people not gonna be.
Going to Disneyland?
No, I ain't going this year.
Man. Where you at? Where you at, Winston?
I'm on Canal right now. We going on the break. Oh, I'm getting put out the truck.
All right.
We're gonna be under the
So
bridge,
NVIDIA,
man.
in this, in my opinion, I think you want NVIDIA to pull back to like 150 before going.
And that means SoFi gonna run, y'all.
Yeah, bro, leave SoFi alone, bro. SoFi ain't do you nothing.
I'm letting them know why NVIDIA selling off. SoFi can run to their $35, $40.
Okay, we don't want you right now. Okay.
Yeah, she can't lose.
We need this pullback. We need a
Y'all gotta be
pullback,
out
bro.
for the contract.
You don't want to.
What's the
You
next
think
one,
SoFi,
bro?
think SoFi will drop before a pop?
No, if NVIDIA drop, then
I mean,
SoFi.
So
I mean,
say,
NVIDIA.
bro. Say, bro.
I mean,
Hey,
NVIDIA.
look. All right,
Hold
look.
on.
Let me just say this, dog. Let me just say this. NVIDIA and SoFi don't have nothing to do with each other, bro. Stop listening to this dude, bro.
No, I made a
The
mistake
dude
and
is
said
the
Go
dude
SoFi.
look
is
at the
sleep
chart,
talking,
Mike.
bro.
Mike, go look at the chart.
He's
Go-
sleep talking, bro.
No,
Don't worry about it.
Listen,
dog.
Mike, you see this pullback that NVIDIA got right here? Right there. What month is that? What month is that?
I don't know, bro. December.
December. Go back to NVIDIA and see what NVIDIA was doing in
This
December.
is NVIDIA.
That is NVIDIA.
I mean, go back to SoFi and see what it's doing when NVIDIA fell.
This dude, bro.
That's all.
What December at?
I put one side.
Right here. Okay. They kind of did the same thing.
All right.
Go to 25.
25, you got to remember, SoFi went around back then, Mike.
Yeah, it was, nigga.
It was out in 2024.
Yeah.
2021. This dude, bro. Go to sleep, bro. Take a
Wait,
nap
no,
in the truck for a
when
little
did
while.
NVIDIA sell off? That's what I'm asking.
You
That
said
was
December. That was December 2024.
What's up?
All right.
They did the same thing. Look, December 2024. They did the same thing.
All right. Go ahead then.
This dude, dog.
You wasting our time, bro.
Go ahead, man.
This
knew it
dude,
was
take a
gonna be
nap, bro.
I knew it was gonna be quick. We had a little room. Go ahead. All right, we went through Microsoft. We got to go to Meta. so y'all could get back in y'all puts, right? Get back.
No, Meta, bro.
That was the entry. Gap fill retracement. But
Yeah,
it's still
that was a
closed
Winston
inside it.
trade.
Yeah, it's probably consolidated.
You just gotta look on the weekly. Like, traded to this auto block, volume
That's
imbalance right
two
here.
reversal.
Yeah, oh man, come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Nobody want to listen to me today, huh?
Can we be serious?
I'm serious. Now, what is that? A 2-2-2 fail to the
That's
upside.
that's a three.
A 3.
What's the 3?
Hold on.
Which
It's
candle
a
you talking about?
Hakeem,
That,
what is that? That's a 2-2 fail to the upside, right?
Nah, that's it
no,
ain't
that's a,
fair. It's enforced. It's a two
it's in
down.
four. Yeah,
How's it? But it should have
Two
went up.
down. Huh?
Oh, we got a 3-2, 3-2-2 version.
Now what candle you looking at? That
that,
last red candle?
said, bro. I swear to God, I'm about to end this Zoom. I swear to
That's
God,
a
I'm about to end
2.
this Zoom.
Wait, what? What number is
Yeah, it
that?
man.
went two up, two down.
Right, but what, the candle before that is a 3,
That's a three.
3,
It's
2.
engulfing.
Fuck, we started.
Yeah.
It's a
Yeah,
3-2-2
that's the 3-2-2
reversal, right?
reversal.
That's a
Yeah.
three
That's
two
what I
two
just
reversal. Yep.
said.
Come on, man. Stop talking about the spread, bro.
All
Mike
right,
behave.
go ahead.
Who started doing this?
What, the scrap? When they brought it up. Mike been
We
on
ain't talking
scrap.
about the spread, bro. Let me put it in ICT terms. Turtle soup.
But nigga, that ain't turtle soup.
Oh,
Niggas just saying, everybody take a nap. Come on,
Dog,
that's
please,
the,
bro. What's dog? Mardi Gras come around, niggas start acting different.
but no, so you got anything for Meta? I think we might be
No,
consolidating. Yeah.
no. The only thing, I mean, the original trade, like the original trade, if you stayed in that
So
trade,
you
you
want
know,
eggs?
depending on how much time you had, but as of now, I wouldn't be trying to look. I mean, unless you get a monthly closure beneath these two candles and you come back and retest it for a continuation. Outside of that, I wouldn't be looking to get into it right now.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Because the original entry was a gap. I think it was 690 something we said, 690, 690 or something we said, something like that.
Uh-huh.
And then
It sold
my
out,
dog.
popped up.
Then it sold down and then it reversed.
Held on.
Now it's kind of so all it did was fill the gap and retraced it. So now do we get a continuation? That's why I be liking when we trade into a gap and go. Because when you trade back into it, it just makes it gray. Instead of black and white, it's gray area now for me. So now I gotta wait for more confirmation. Closure beneath these two up close candles, boom. Come back and retest that 640. You go down at 470. What's this low? 479. But it's creating higher highs now. So that's why I'm saying we got to if we take this out, close beneath this, then I believe that we could come down. But you said this low. I said higher highs, higher lows. I meant to say, my bad. Higher lows, this low, and then this low. So we said higher lows. So we had to come take out some of this, and then I believe that this gonna be the target right here. But I think, once we hit this gap and sold off, I was expecting a continuation. So once we traded back into the gap, and it just kind of, I ain't gonna say it pissed me off, but it pissed me off. But that's the way it goes sometimes. What's the next one on the list?
UNH. Oh, if UNH is dead.
And go to hood after you build with UNH.
Ooh, UNA about to slide, bro. It's over with.
Mm.
It's
Mm.
over with.
That's Winston stock?
It's over with. Nah, bro. It
Trade
was.
the NQ.
I trade futures,
I chart
brother.
all y'all stocks for y'all. I like
Bruh.
Nvidia. I like UNH to the upside.
So did UNH roll over? It's rolling over.
I believe it is.
What you think? Go to the money.
This is a money.
That's out the gap.
Mm-hmm. He traded into the gap.
Got kicked out.
This remember we was talking about this gap support and price right here?
Mm-hmm.
It was until it wasn't.
Gave it
It's
up.
over with.
Gave it up.
It's over with.
Oh no, go to week. Go to week.
Bro, y'all in the same car?
Oh yeah, hold on.
Y'all echoing, man. Oh, it's over with, bro. You got this gap
This
right
gap
here.
got a hole. Correct.
It's probably not.
I think so.
You know.
Yeah.
Mm-mm. I don't think it will. But we'll see. I mean,
Leave it
anybody
done.
is anybody still in UNH?
Yes.
Okay.
I got it till
Okay.
January. That's why I'm holding the line.
Okay.
If we get a gap up, then you gotta go.
You gotta go. If this
Bottom
gap,
of the gap is
so the bottom of this gap
250,
is
255.
250 something.
250, 253.
And that
250.
robe trade.
253.16. You get a closure beneath that, just go ahead and take your change.
All
Take your
right.
little change.
What I
But
got?
All we got is
I believe that. I mean, we talk about this a lot. When the market leave
it
these
gave
swing
up.
lows is sitting outside by themselves like this, it's highly likely that the market gonna come take it out. And then, so when you look at it from a higher time frame perspective, right quick, hold up. This the 3 month. This what I came be on. This the 3 month. It's it's on a collision course, bro. It's on a collision course to come take this out. Like this is clean. This is clean. But we don't, I don't use the 3 months, so I'm gonna go back to the 1 month. But this is, got you traded back into the gap, rejected from the gap, closed beneath this gap on a monthly. So the most you might get is a retest of this gap at 312 or something like that. What's the high of this candle? 316. You might get a retest of that, but I do believe 187 on the undercover cop.
Yeah, man. Well,
Dead man walking. Cross the gun line, boss.
just need to hold the line.
Hold the line.
Don't
Gun line, boss. Let me see something.
shoot him in the head. All
All
right.
right.
What was that other one y'all was
Hood.
supposed to get in?
I
Hood.
said go to hood.
It was Hood, and then y'all was supposed to get in another one.
Can we put AMD on the board?
We did AMD.
Went do hood, AMD, then Palantir.
We didn't look at AMD.
No.
No.
Y'all niggas, y'all trying to trade, huh? I already know you in a couple of trades
Yeah,
already.
bought something. He
Maul
sold
up to
Robin
something.
Hood at 150. He tried to see what he could get out of his puts in. What put you in, bro?
Who, me?
Allegedly. I'm sorry.
Nothing. Nothing.
He said allegedly.
If you were in a put, what one
If
would
I
you?
were in a put,
Yeah.
what put would I be in?
Yeah.
I don't even know right now.
Okay, he might not be in there, y'all. He usually give his contract up. Right.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Retrace this move by supporting this gap. I don't know, bro. I think this might be. No. Let me go to a weekly, bro. I don't know.
What you think? Down there, right?
Probably got this breaker down here at 65. You can come test.
It reminds me of a SoFi chart. Go ahead.
This dude, dog.
Gap on gap. Gap on top of gap, bro.
My dog, sleep deprived, bro. All right. What's the next one, dog? I don't see none on hood.
AMD.
Palantir, then that, yeah, AMD Palantir.
It's gonna feel like gap. Hood.
Hmm.
Who the fuck is this?
This is AMD.
That's how them boys do it, parade.
Huh? Interesting. This is interesting. Hmm. Aha. Aha. Okay. Hmm. Took out the high. Didn't displace beyond the high. Okay. Traded back into this gap.
I ain't seen
Hmm.
no.
I don't know, bro. This one could go either way. It looked like it could consolidate for a while. It does look like it wants to respect this gap though, for real. So it could consolidate a little while here and before the next leg to the upside. But this is like textbook price action, if you ask me. You got your high, you got a you got a high, set a high here, you got a low here, you set a higher high. You come back to this, it should support price. This is what you call a bullish breaker. So you got your high, your low, your higher high, come back to the low. Come back to the gap. Got a breaker inside of that gap. That should support price. AMD could probably continue to the upside. And this is the monthly chart. So this is clean. Now when you look at the weekly, you got this volume imbalance or this gap up right here. And looks like a consolidation. But what it did was it inverted this gap, this bearish gap, it inverted it, then came back and traded into this imbalance and put price in there. Now it could continue to the upside from a weekly perspective. But from a higher time frame perspective, like a monthly, it looks clean. Because you got a breaker, you got a gap in the vicinity of the breaker. That's cash money, in my opinion. So you could take it back to the highs, 260. What 265, I believe it is.
Yeah.
267. Take it back to the highs or beyond. But this is clean. This textbook. This is what you see in the textbook as far as price structure goes. Set a high, set a low, set a higher high, come back to the previous high, breaker, fair value gap in between, you take it to the upside.
Okay.
Any
Mo,
questions?
what you was
Any more
looking
questions?
at?
I'm actually
275?
looking at taking it back to the high. I remember maybe about like 2 months ago, me and Winston was talking about this and it playing down to 190. And it done did that maybe like I want to say close to like 2 or 3 times so far. And every time it hit 190, between 190, 185 and 190, that bitch bounced back and just shoot out. Every time.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I know we were there this week. So
Are you in? If you were in AMD,
yeah,
what would you be in?
I would take let me see.
Let me check my phone.
July 240.
Okay.
So that contract probably rolling over. I know.
If I was in it.
If he was in
If I was in it.
I heard Jamal.
What he probably had he got the premium. No. Okay. But I like it. It's a gap bounce now, Mike. They gave up the 3 months. They won't do nothing.
ABC. C is 1, 2, 3. If it has not failed, it will not fail. Some bullshit.
So if she don't give up the box in 3 months, just go long.
Whoa, I like it.
Hey,
I fucking like
brother.
it. I like that.
I mean, that's life terminology right there.
I like
What in the world?
Yeah.
Still talking about trade?
Yes, we are now. That reflect real life, bro.
Is this
Got a
going on?
3-month rule. Okay. All right, what's the next one? So look, no, before we leave AMD, bro, because I don't want.
Look what that did to him.
Now remember, if it's a short play, because it could be a 3 week. If it don't happen in 3 weeks, you can bounce. You're playing the short.
So that's why I picked last one.
So look, check it out.
Oh, you mentioned.
Check it out.
So I'm
So
probably just gonna be on the back.
are we good on AMD?
Yes,
Do
sir.
we have an understanding of what we want to do on AMD?
Yeah, these AMD contract kind of high, boy. It's kind of spicy.
because everyone knows.
Any birds got iffy bread.
I ain't taking a look at him yet.
I did.
Yeah, like
My dog said 100. 100 is gonna be.
Oh, what this is? This the one I was telling you. Was this the one?
It's Palantir. My dog said $100.
He makes me.
I could be wrong.
You're not even cooking.
This nice.
pancake.
You got your rejection. Created this order block. Traded into the order block. Rejected from the order block. Boom. What's your next drawn liquidity?
I got
Fair
one.
value game.
Meow.
A monthly
From a monthly
PMG.
perspective.
I want you to know.
From a weekly. Ooh, it's over with. What's it? This don't look good for a Palantir.
Say dog. Say Mike.
Yo.
Hey, bro.
Hey man, say man.
Hey, I said that last week.
Yeah, you did, bro. You did. You
Sell
did.
from that number so it don't make a gap.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, I
So
also
look-
said
Was
this week.
was Nell right in his $100 put?
I sold it.
You sold your put already?
They had a weekly.
Yeah, I put 2 weeks on it. I made like $80, sold it, and I'm gonna get back in.
Okay. That was scissor hands.
Cut your winners, hold your losers. Don't be like that.
Hey, we don't have FOMO no more.
Hey, look,
That's true, dog. That's true. That's true.
make
That's
sure
true.
you hold that fucking $8 put.
Oh man, stop, bro.
I'm talking about Palantir, bro.
This dude.
$100
But look, this is
put.
cause bro, I'm telling you, dog.
Give me
Alright,
one,
look.
dog. They got $58 now for March 6th.
How much the $8 so far is it?
I ain't fucking.
All right.
I ain't fucking. We're talking about
This
Palantir.
dude.
That what I said, right?
All right, y'all.
I'm like Winston,
You
bro.
did Netflix?
So what's the next stop we looking at, bro, before I get off
Netflix.
here?
And that's it. We'll go after Netflix.
What float you gonna be on?
Nigga, I'm gonna be on St. Charles and Felicity, nigga. Right in front of Houston's.
Wow.
I'm gonna be on the float, boy. Come on, man.
I thought, hey,
Oh, hey. That what we said on this the one that we ended the Zoom on last week because niggas was talking about Aristotle and shit. All right.
I still share that same sentiment.
he's a dweeb.
Nah, bro, y'all, I was just messing with y'all. Yeah, I think $70, bro, 69 right here.
You know that shit's still hot, huh?
All right, bro.
What?
I
You
got
don't feel like it's gonna
last
find
stock I
support in
wanna-
that gap?
the last stock I want to leave y'all with, bro. Baker Hughes.
We should go.
Man, we ain't looking at that no more.
Why not?
We should go to 70.
Hey, bro. When I
My
listen, bro.
bad, bro. Winston
But-
Winston went off on me, bro. My bad.
So hold up, dog. Time out, bro. When I told y'all about Baker Hughes and the contract I was in, it was $230.
What's up, bro?
That
How much the
contract
contract is now?
$800, bro.
That's not bad, bro. That's not bad. But
Climbing, bro, and it's doing like you said. Once this ain't really all-time high, but it broke its 52-week high, and it's expanding away, breaking away,
okay.
baby.
All right. So Akeem, to answer your question, this gap, do I think it's gonna find support in this gap? So I'm just looking at price, right? So let's talk about it right quick.
Disrespectful.
So we tapped into this gap right here. We tapped back into it here, right? The second time we tapped back into it, it took us all the way up here. And then we kind of rejected from there. So now it's almost like a deflated balloon.
Okay,
now
the
that we
more you
pulled the
tap
liquidity
into
out
a
of
gap,
here-
the less liquidity it got and don't hold as much
Yeah,
value.
I mean, for sure. Like you can't keep using it. You know what I'm saying? So now, being that just like the setup that was on what that was we was looking at.
Palantir.
No, not Palantir. What was the one we looked at before Palantir?
AMD.
Yeah, AMD, just like the setup. So you got your high, you got your low, got your high,
And that's
you
the
got your bullish
50%.
breaker. You got your
And
breaker
that's the
right here.
50%.
And
Yeah,
that and
man.
that's the and
It
that's why I
should
feel
find
like
support right there.
That's
it
the
should find
50%
support right
too.
now.
You
And
hear me?
I'm telling you, and if when it get here, it's probably gonna take off. It's probably gonna take off.
Selling
And
premium.
that's 50% of the fib, Winston.
The Fib and that range, right?
So that's $70.
Uh-huh. That whole range, Mike.
What from here?
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of sort of. Yeah, I would say that 50%, 75. Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
So, ah, it's yeah. So looking at it like this too, you have a balanced price range now. Took off from here, closed beneath that, traded through this order block. There was a gap. So this is. I hate when they do stock splits like this, though, because it don't never trade the same afterwards. But so you have bullish fair value gap, traded through it, had an order block in it. So when you have an order block and a gap, that's like that's like when you get the leaf on Super Mario Brothers and Super Mario get the cape and he can fly. That's what this is. A gap with an order block, that's what that is. Right? But we traded through it, disrespected it, closed beneath the gap, traded through the order block, closed beneath the order block. So now, naturally, this should support price. If this doesn't support price, then Netflix is in trouble. But it should support price. This is your breaker. Bop, bop, bop. See how this look on the weekly, man. Yeah, it should support price. Oh, what's the next one we looking at? Hold up. I think people put something in the chat. Boy, something all jacked up off Mountain Dew. Man, all right. What's the next one, y'all?
I think that's it.
Netflix. That's it?
Oh, you want Baker Hughes? Go to
Baker
BKR.
Hughes.
Disrespecting
BKR.
Hughes, bro.
Let's go to Baker Hughes. I think we looked at this and said you was in a good contract.
We said 70. I don't even think you got to go over. He won't hear you say it again.
Yeah, you just want to make sure
We gotta
I'm
celebrate
getting
our wins in
paid.
this group, bro. Not just our losses.
I think Ben had some Mountain Dew too, dog. Let me
He
see.
did.
This negative energy feeding off on me. Too close. Get the fuck out the truck.
I'll take a shit, y'all.
All right, bro. You ain't got to talk about Baker Hughes, bro. I just want you to put up. I made money in that already.
Oh shit.
It look good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It look good.
You still like it though, going to the upside?
Yeah, it look good.
I might get back in if it come back and test that gap.
So why you got out?
Right now. Huh?
Why you got out?
I got out so I could buy Microsoft. I took my wins.
All right. Okay,
turned it into Microsoft.
Okay. But this the monthly too, so you got a couple of weeks left on this.
But
let me tell you, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you.
Please do.
If we create a gap, if this ends up being a gap and we don't take out that high and we trade back into this gap before going and take out that high, then this would be a prime entry for you, for a re-entry to take it back to $70.
And that's gonna be your third week on your monthly, on your weekly.
That's what I want. That's what I'm hoping it gives me an opportunity. If not, then I'm not.
Y'all caught that, right?
Fine with that. Heard.
That'll be the third week, so that's gonna be our entry.
I'm gonna keep bringing it up, bro, in case anybody want to get in it. If it give us the opportunity,
go to your weekly, Mike.
Paid me already. I would like to get paid again.
It's the weekly,
right? So what that is? That inefficiency?
Yeah, that's an inefficiency right here.
So we're gonna get our
we
third
cleaned this
week
one up
on
already.
That. We're gonna get the third week on that, and then that'll be the number, like 50. What that is? $52.
Yeah, 53.
Yeah.
Yep. And go back to the monthly and see what 50 what that is. 53. 50%. Yeah, it's right there in the middle of the gap.
And it's a level. And is on my chart is the inversion of the old gap.
There you go.
Like it all.
What you want me to get?
Get a $70 call when they hit 53 after this month.
All right.
I was in the 65s. And he
Oh,
beat
get some bees. Right now.
Hey, bro. Appreciate y'all, man.
All right, bro. And so we good? Eric, anything else?
And I was cooking while y'all was talking about Microsoft. What we were looking at? What calls people was trying to get in? Because I see it when what it's doing. I'm looking at it.
600.
We talk about just bringing it back to them relative equal highs up there.
550.
All-time highs.
All right, I see 555 all time high.
Yeah, just bringing it back to these relative equal highs. We wanted to support this gap. I mean, from a weekly standpoint, it looked good. Traded to the order block. Gap should respect it. Well, you know the rules. You know how it go.
Yeah.
Just gotta wait for confirmation, a
Till we get
reversal
a 2-2-2
confirmation to the
reversal.
upside.
Right.
So from
A fell 2 down.
Yeah, get a
So
fail
from a
2
daily
down.
perspective, you want, maybe a closure above this volume imbalance right here. Let me make the screen a little bigger.
Yeah, get out
This
of that
volume
inefficiency.
imbalance. Yeah, get a closure above 412, 411, then you can take an entry.
Yeah, come on, bridge, because Brandon will.
But that's what we was looking at on Microsoft, bro.
All right, for sure.
All right.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. So, all right, bro. Anything else? Man, y'all want to look at futures?
Got time?
No,
He about-
absolutely not.
Why would you ask?
I blame Winston, bro.
I got one more question.
Oh, you too are feeding off the negative energy.
Absolutely.
You gonna get the bees? So you just want me to go to the
Don't
grocery
bring
store?
that shit to the
bro.
parades, cuz they locking people up.
Lock them up.
Oh my! Now you coming out here?
Damn.
Hey,
All right, call me.
wait, where you at? I ain't going on Canal Street.
Man, chill out. Watch
I think
out,
I'm
man.
going St. Joseph. I don't
You hear
know.
me?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna see y'all, boy. I'll be out there.
Where the police go be heavy at? That's why I won't go.
Under the bridge.
On Canal.
I don't think she won't go on Canal. I think she won't go on St. Charles or some shit.
That's smart.
No, you be telling the police, you be calling the police on people at the parades?
No, I just don't want to be around. I won't know where to go when the young people go out there.
Oh yeah.
They're not coming out to
Oh, you
Bacchus,
said
bro.
no,
You
today?
good. Huh?
All right, y'all go ahead, dog. Get over with y'all, boy. Hit me up, Mike.
All right. Yeah.
Thanks.